everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with all 7 colors from the new Bling Galleria collection. This right here is releasing today, and it is called the Rainbow Shots collection. And we're going to be using all the colors, doing a really fun, flaky, glittery ombre. So we are going to be doing the gel method today on a set of press-ons. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the gel polish to all the nails, and then we're going to go ahead and start some ombreing, and you're going to be able to see how buildable these flakes are from 1 dip to 2 dips. And these flakies are super fun and vibrant, and they're perfect for the spring and summer season. And since we're doing an ombre, I'm going to go ahead and flip these nails around so that that gradient transition flows together, because if you do not flip them around and you do the ombreing how they were on the stand originally, the colors are not going to flow together. And I learned it the hard way. After I completed a set, it looked like it was completely ombreed normal, and then once I placed it on my hand, it was not. So definitely take the time to flip it around if you are doing an ombre. I mean, if you're doing an ombre and the colors don't flow together, it's still going to look really neat no matter what, especially when you're using these flakes because they're just so fun. This collection is releasing today, Sunday, March 26th, and it is called the Rainbow Shots collection. And you're going to be able to get this entire collection as a set, or you can purchase the colors individually. And if you missed yesterday's video, I did do a swatch with me, and I did swatch all 7 of those beautiful flaky colors that you see here that we're using. So you can see here that these flakies are totally buildable. You could do 1 coat of a dip for more of like a jelly kind of flaky look, and you're still going to get that light neon pigment, or you can build it up by doing another dip. And if you want, you can get really crazy and do a 3rd dip. The nice thing about these flakies is that they lay really flat to the nail, so you're not going to get a lot of bulk like you would if you're using some chunkier glitter. So that's the nice thing about these flakies, is that they are laying really flat to the nail. Alright, so enough chit chat. Let's get into this beautiful rainbow mani, and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how fun and vibrant and sparkly is this mani? I completely love how it turned out. It is definitely giving me all those fun, bright neon rainbow vibes, and these flakies are so pretty when the light hits it. It's very hypnotizing, and I'm totally here for it. So you can see after I went in with that gel base and top coat and I filed them buff, I did not break into any of those flakies. They still stayed true to their color. So that is amazing when you are filing and buffing these, that they stayed true to that color. Again, when you are doing the gel method, you want to do a light hand when you are filing and buffing, but I love how this turned out, and these flakies were very easy to work with. So either method, gel method or dip liquids, these are going to be very easy to work with, and they are so colorful and so fun. So these are perfect for spring and summer, and definitely fun to have in your collection. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in that description box below, including everything you need to create your own custom press-on nail sets as well. Also, don't forget to head over to Bling Galleria to check out this collection, and if these colors were not your cup of tea, Bling Galleria has tons of other colors that you'll definitely find something that will catch your eye, especially some fun, beautiful foil dips. I hope you enjoyed this mani. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.